Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to use @ key. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is for the standard US keyboard. All you gotta do is open up your notepad one, then press Shift plus F2 or number 2 key, and that's it. @ will appear. If you are using UK keyboard, what you need to do is press Shift plus apostrophe on your keyboard, and that will enter @. Now, if you are using other layers like European or British keyboard, what you need to do is press Alt group 2 or Alt group plus Q. That depends on your layout. On some laptops, what you need to do is press Ctrl Alt and 2, and that will work instead of Alt GR. Then you can also use ASCII code by simply pressing Alt and then typing in 64 on the numeric keyboard, and releasing Alt and @ appears. Let me do this once again. By holding the Alt and then typing in 64 on your numpad, the @ will appear. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.